Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Take a look at some of the stocks that are on the move today. We can do that with Bloomberg's Nora Melinda. Nora, what are you looking at?
Well, let's talk through one of the biggest stories of the day. We did see that Novo Nordisk won approval to sell a pill version of its obesity shot Wegovy in the United States. So this, of course, should help people lose weight or maintain their previous weight loss over the long term. But this is really an edge up against Eli Lilly, its competitor, because it's essentially giving it a head start because Eli Lilly said that its own oral obesity drug could be approved by March. So this is getting in a bit earlier. You're seeing shares of Novo Nordisk, ticker NVO, reflecting that. We see shares up as much as 11%, now pairing up about 8.5%. But this is the biggest jump since January on a single day basis.
Yeah, definitely big news for Novo Nordisk. Let's stay in the healthcare space.
Yeah, I'm also looking at shares of Johnson & Johnson. That's ticker J&J. We're seeing shares that are down just a smidge, about 0.6%. This is after the company was ordered to pay about $1.56 billion to a Maryland woman who blamed the company's talc-based baby powder for causing her asbestos-linked cancer. So we are hearing from researchers that they have linked asbestos to mesothelioma, and jurors did find that J&J and two of its units and its spinoff Kenvue were liable for failing to warn the woman of its baby powder being tainted with asbestos. So you are seeing shares sliding just a touch off of the news.
ServiceNow, a little M&A.
Yeah, a little M&A action here on this. What is this, Tuesday?
Yep.
We did see that ServiceNow, this is ticker NOW. It reached a deal to buy the cybersecurity startup Armis. The deal was valued at about $7.75 billion. This is its largest acquisition to date for the company. So ServiceNow will pay in cash for Armis, expects to fund the transaction through a combo of cash on hand and debt. They said that the deal should close in about the second half of 2026. We did see shares of the ServiceNow, though, sliding as much as 2.9% earlier. Now it's down about 2.3% as we speak.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.